Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Abusive Boyfriend Gets a Taste of His Own Medicine When Police Arrive." Ooh, hey, don't let me find out that the police gonna hit him with some act right, boy. Yeah, you better tighten up. I should make a shirt called "Tighten Up." That's a fact. Hey, that shirt might be coming soon too. You hear me? You better tighten up, boy.
Today on Uncovered, watch this man get put in his place by officers after breaking into his ex's home and threatening her life.
You crazy and broke at the same time. I'm crazy.
Sir, what's going on?
She told me to hold on.
Wait.
Don't play that, dog. I do not play that. Don't touch me,
Don't touch me. Yo, we're not doing that. Hey, relax, bro. Relax, don't do that. I'm gonna tell
come
you
through
this
this gate if y'all want.
gonna be
Both of y'all up.
You're not doing You're not doing
You up many times.
Hey, it's
I
gonna
done
be
beat your a couple times.
Come on. Come on.
Don't do that
I'm
now.
gonna spray you.
Listen.
I'm gonna spray you.
Spray me
Relax.
for what?
Back up.
What is y'all telling me to do?
Are you telling me he has a mental illness? Because I'm about to slam his on the ground. I'm gonna tell you, bro. Relax.
What is y'all telling me to do?
Relax. Calm down.
He done took my
Do you see me talking?
threw him in the
You grabbing me for?
Bro. I'm about to spray you.
I was going to get hurt. She told me to hurt.
You're not gonna do
This crazy, right? So I'm gonna just let it continue.
that, bro. Calm down. What's going on?
Do I look like I to you?
What's going on?
You heard what the Yo, come on, dog.
Relax. Come on, relax, Pop.
Come on, man.
Relax.
Come on.
Hey, come on, man.
Let me go. You gonna hit me now? Let me go. No, go ahead. Stop.
Let me go.
You gonna hit me, dog?
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
You got me.
Yo, go to the ground.
You gonna bust my mouth?
Let's tussle. Go.
I'm gonna spray him. Wait. You ready?
Just puff his. You don't have to kill it.
Not killing him.
Y'all gonna pay.
Let go.
Y'all gonna pay for this shit. Now, do you lock me up? Go ahead. Lock me up. You gonna my mouth?
Anybody.
I'm letting go, Neff. Get off me. You on top of me,
around.
dog. Get off of me. If you break my arm, I'm gonna f you up, Neff. I'm telling you.
Wait.
Get off me, Neff. It's time to go.
Yo, did y'all peep that? Yo, that was quick. It was quick. You gotta catch it. Son hit him with a 2-piece and a biscuit, boy. Oh my God.
Wait.
You better catch it
Get off me,
quick.
Neff. It's time to go. What's wrong with y'all, man?
Yo, hands behind your back.
Rest. I'm putting my arm on my back.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That's OD, man. That's OD, bro. You punched the dude in his mouth, bro. Something crazy, bro. Did you hear this? Did you hear it? Oh my God. That's OD. I ain't gonna lie. That's I get it. Y'all wrestling. Y'all gotta, but that's an illegal move, bro. That ain't no, come on, son. Did you hear it though? Did you hear it? You gotta catch it quick. Did you hear it though? Watch.
Wait.
Off me, Neff. It's time to go.
Oh, did him
What's wrong with
filthy.
y'all, man?
Yo, hands behind your back.
Rest. I'm putting my arm on my back.
Upon apprehending the
Yo.
suspect, his ex-girlfriend, who called the police onto the scene, notices her gate was damaged during the altercation.
Look at my gate. Look at my damn gate. Look at my gate. Look what you guys did to my gate.
Man, well, this
No, it's not my fault.
your husband, ain't it?
No, 6 weeks ago I broke up with him. My ex, okay? 6 weeks ago I broke up with him. He never lived with me.
Yeah, but you sitting here, come on, these officers was just wrestling with this man, and what you talking about is some gate? We're here because of you. You called us here. So at least let us get this situation under control, and then you could put in for, you know, for your property damage and all that stuff or whatever afterwards. But you see, we sitting here wrestling with the man because of you, what y'all got going on. Come on, man. Instead of like, yo, thank you, I appreciate it. You know, thanks, man. He was a real headache. You know what I mean? He broke my stuff. Like, oh man, I'm glad you guys are here. That's why I say police work. Who the hell wants to be a cop, bro? It's a thankless job. It's a thankless job. The only guys that get thanked for their service is the old timers who participate in like the food drives and, you know, riding with a cop for a day, you know, with the kids and all that type of stuff. Those are the only ones. The regular cops like this do not get thanked for their job. I mean, I'm not saying they should be thanked for this because you punched them in the face. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But you get what I'm saying. Your regular road cops do not get, it's a thankless job, bro. You do not feel good at the end of the day. Honestly, it's just another day. You know, you got dentists and things like that or whatever, or you got lawyers or whatever. Like when a lawyer gets you off the case and y'all beat the case, it's like, whoo, we feel good. You know what I'm saying? When you go into the dentist and you got a problem with your tooth and they fix whatever is wrong, they give you the cavity or the root canal or whatever, it's like, damn, we did a good job. You know what I'm saying? Cops don't get that.
I woke up with him 6 weeks ago. It's not my fault. I told y'all he's off his medication.
Oh, you have. I was calm, man. I was calm. I'm here
for you, man.
No.
Off his medication.
Come on.
Oh, relax. No, let him stay right there. Let him relax.
Listen, I'm trying to.
I know. Get up. Oh.
He needs to go to crisis.
That's
He's
the
on
up.
medication.
Right.
162 dispatch.
Here's his shirt.
You need to go to crisis, and you better get my money out of here.
See, he's talking.
One cluster.
He's talking craziness. There's no money. There's nothing.
What's his name? You ready to go to the hospital?
I don't need to go to the hospital.
Yes,
So you gotta be
You gotta
cleared
go.
for incarceration, buddy.
He gets SSI. He gets a check.
That don't matter. He want
What
to
I'm
fight
saying-
cops. He want to fight cops. It's over. Let's
He
go.
has mental issues.
He said I want to fight cops. Who
You
the
want
f***?
cops? Come on. Get up, Mr. Tough Guy.
Could you grab the others?
Get up.
Here's his shirt.
Oh, weak as hell.
Yeah.
People that's going to meet you break, right?
Yes, sir.
Y'all weak as hell.
Weak as hell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it.
Acting like I did something. I ain't do nothing. Y'all grabbing on me. I'm still f***ing her up. Don't make no difference.
Okay, this in Trenton. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, all right. I see why they did what they did. It's still wrong, but they in a different environment. Trenton, New Jersey, my boy. What you got? What's going on, man? Oh, okay.
Bust my shit. Come on, man, stop grabbing me like that, though.
Oh, calm down, bro.
Hey, well, stop grabbing me.
Calm down, bro. Listen, calm down. You don't got anything on you, bro?
Man, I don't got nothing on me. I'm so to you, man. For real, yo.
I need to.
God, yo.
You don't got. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Yo, it's crazy, yo.
Bro, because you don't listen. That's your problem.
Listen.
That's why you ain't got no girl now, bro. You don't listen.
Man, I got 1 million girls. What you talking about?
Yeah, your hair.
Yeah, whatever.
He picked up my glasses. Sorry.
Oh, those are yours?
Yeah.
Because I got mace too. I was going to jail his ass if he would have came through that door. I got 2 picks, but one of them is with nose in there.
Yeah, when I came,
He needs meds.
he was going. I don't know what the other person said.
I have them on camera.
But he was like, "Oh, you say this and this to me?
Yeah.
I'm on."
He is totally off his medication.
Yeah, and then-
because I broke up with him,
And then I tried
6 weeks already.
I tried to stop
done.
him. Tried to stop him
I
too.
seen everything is
And
on
then
camera.
he grabbed me. And I was
know.
like, "Man, don't do that."
I know, but that's why you got the mace. You don't want to be punching people and doing all that. That's like, I understand. Could you help me with this, please? Because I can't close my gate now because to get the dogs in. I called about 30 times. He started throwing plants off my porch.
Yeah, nah, we good, bro. He deserve that. And I ain't even talking shit. You don't grab no cop's vest and try to lock you down like that. Oh, then he was going after a regular civilian, bro.
And I stopped him. He grabbed me.
Nah, he was under arrest regardless. Bro, listen, bro, you were under arrest for. Okay. See, hey, bro, thanks for talking to the camera for me because it sounds stupid. Come on, man, you got issues, bro. You alright? Wow. Alright, but who in cuffs? Who in cuffs? Go ahead and smile for them too. You right there, you want embarrassment, right? Go ahead and smile for them. Nah, I'm talking to the guy in the back.
Watch out.
Guy in the back will him up, though. I'll that cop up.
You sure? Hey, you want to tell them the real story? Okay, then. You gonna tell them the real story?
Watch me one time.
162.
My man, we were trying not to do anything to you. I grabbed you at first, and I gave you a chance. I gave you a chance because we there to investigate what's going on, right? I grabbed your arm. You didn't want to move off the fence.
Listen, if you ain't from this area, man, if you ain't from New York, New Jersey, man, you wouldn't understand, bro. That's how they talking. I know some of y'all probably from rural areas and stuff. Y'all like, oh my God, these police officers talk like this? Oh my God, why are they so unprofessional? You know, listen, if you ain't from, listen, that's how I give it up over here. Like, in fact, he talking shit too. He was like, what, you want to tell the real story? You deserve that, boy. They put in that pain, like, yeah.
So I backed up off you to try to tell you, hey, bro, we can't stop doing whatever you're doing and listen. Then, on top of that, you weren't allowing us to go doing our investigation. So that at that point, bro, you're under arrest for obstructing. Okay? Then you want to fight police? It's over. Hey, listen, I did a good job. We did a good job by not slamming you on the ground, bro. We trying to protect you.
Trust me.
We ain't supposed, bro. We're not supposed to go wild. Bro. We try to use the least amount of force necessary, bro.
No, we didn't, bro. Trust me. We could have. No, we didn't.
We got your shirt, bro. We got your shirt.
You didn't even say anything, bro.
Go ahead.
162.
No, we did not. And you did again on top. And then, wait, and again, I'm on top of your back. I could have did whatever I wanted to at that point. But bro, hey, no. I'm telling you this. I could have did more than that. But again, I'm trying to use the least amount of force necessary to take you into custody, bro.
Look, you was in the area, right?
Come on.
Hold.
The only thing that I say that they did OD on is they ain't have to punch him in his shit, bro. That, like, they wilded out on that one. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they oh, forgive me for laughing, but it's not funny. But they ain't have to rock him in his shit. They ain't had to do that, bro.
I'm gonna help you out. Walking into fold, shutting out.
The suspect was charged with domestic assault on an officer, obstructing justice, and resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this video...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit.